What up? It's your girl Matt and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a full-time reseller and I shop at the Goodwill outlet bins. If you're into thrift hauls or you're just getting started into the reselling world, I'm your girl. Make sure you subscribe because I post these on the regular and I can't wait to show you all the stuff I found in this haul. Let me show you how I'm going to flip $62 into more than a $500 profit. All right, so I actually picked up 30 pounds at the Goodwill outlet yesterday. It was really busy at my local Goodwill, and I spent a total of $63 with change in tax and all the things. My Goodwill outlet is $1.97 per pound. Most of this is for profit. Some of it is to keep because, hey, secondhand, sometimes I find things for myself. So I'm going to show you what I picked up, and I'm also going to show you what maybe is more profitable. First things are these two little cosmetic travel bags. They're not a name brand or anything, but I just thought they were really cute, and I'm all about small bags. I found a really pretty, Kendra found this hummingbird ornament. This is for her stepmom or dad, but gifts, so much stuff at the bins. They sell housewares, clothes, all the things. I found dish towels. Yes, these are Easter. I mean, I go through dish towels one a day. I probably will try to resell these, but they don't go for a lot, $5, maybe something like that. Instamax film, guys, this is for me. Okay, found some vintage stuff, and I'm pretty excited about the vintage stuff. This is a pure wool skirt. It's an A-line. It's actually in really great condition. I have no idea. I didn't look up the comps. I don't look up comps all the times at the bins. I just know that wool in your descriptions and title is a great keyword for SEOs. So this is a vintage wool skirt, 100% wool. So I'm pretty sure I can get at least $30 for this. American Eagle, this is just a denim jacket with a hood. I'll sell it. American Eagle is a good name brand, sells pretty well as well. John, it's just a corduroy button down. I don't know. I saw some people selling these from 25 to 30. This is a cute little name brand. This actually looks like Lisa Frank, and that's why I grabbed it, but it's called Ice Cream. It's a low profit, but those help your sales, and they're just really easy to list and sell. Obey t-shirt. It's a little worn, but if you watch my last video, I love Obey. It's a brand I grew up with, and I always buy it. Also found this little Kirby's Burger Bowl. Kendra found this on eBay for, what, $20? And it was a pink one, so $20 for this little plastic plate. This is a cute little checkered. Yes, it's stained. I'm going to try to have Kendra get the stains out, but I found one on eBay for $55 in good condition. So for a vest, it says girls gotta eat, but I did pick this up. It's cute, plus size, sells great. It is a 2XL. It's also literally new without tags, never been worn. And then I know this is interesting, but if you ever shop the houseware bins at the Goodwill outlet, there's usually a lot of craft stuff, and you can bundle up all the craft stuff into a lot. And I think I'm going to start trying to look for more scrapbook stuff. You could literally pick these up. They weigh nothing. Make a bundle for $15 or $20 and make your money. Throw all this stuff in an envelope. Super easy. J. Crew is another good brand. This is from 2017 or something, but I just thought this was cute. I sold so many things that were stripes this past weekend, so I have a feeling like stripes are back. Did I miss that trend? I found this brand. We've never found this brand before. It's called Darker Wave, and this looks very gothcore. I found some other stuff on their website running pretty high, so I picked it up. This is something else. I saw this running for $20 on eBay. Sometimes I like to just pick these up. Don't tell, but I saw them on eBay between $15 and $20, so I grabbed it. This is a brand new 4XL Cafe Luna, and I looked up the comps. These are running between $35 and $50, so it's just a men's Guayabera shirt. New with tags, buy them, especially at the bins. If you're paying for pennies on the dollar on these items, it is worth it. New with tags. Sometimes you can just scan it on eBay, and it'll literally bring the listing up for you, and then all you have to do is sell one like this. Okay, this is actually no brand, but it's a Kid Rock tank top. I don't know. We grabbed it. Kendra got excited for these. These are Birkenstocks. Used Birkenstocks sell really well. You can probably get $40 to $60 for a pair of used Birkenstocks, depending on the condition. I thought these were a great find. Good job. Dry patch anvil thing for my house. More new with tags. This is actually Simply Southern, and it says, be the good. It is new with tags. It's cute. Hats are not a high sale, but we sell them for how much? Like between $8 and $20 a hat, more or less, and it takes me 2 minutes to list these, so it's really easy. And I found an entire box. We were like, what the fuck is in this box? What is it? And of course she opens it up, and it's like a whole bunch of these. And this is what you can find at the bins. And now this, what is it? Selfless by Harem. It's a mandelic acid and rice brand, and we have 12 of them. Found this cute little bracelet from Momentum. It says earned, not given. I'll probably keep that and give that away as a gift or something. Express slip dress. This is from the early 2000s. Y2K. Found this on Poshmark for $40. Diamond Supply Company. If you've ever heard of this brand, it's like an Obey to Me, Thrasher. It's a skating brand, but I'm hoping to get like $20 or $30 for that. It is a little worn. It's fine. Aloe, which is a yoga brand. If you love Lululemon and you buy that, Aloe is one of those brands you definitely need to pick up. And it's just a really cute crop top. I was like, ooh, maybe I'll wear that. But who's going to wear this hot ass neck thing when they're working out? Didn't know what this is. Love on Tour, Harry Styles. Found this on eBay for $17. Lacoste, cute little zip up jacket. Saturday, Sunday. This is a brand from Anthropologie. I really like to pick up Anthropologie. I found the comps running for $25 for the jacket, so I picked it up. This old brand, they sell this on Amazon, but thought these were cute. Almost think maybe I'll keep these for myself. I haven't exactly decided, but sold a shirt for like $30 from this brand called Sandro Paris. It was the first time I ever sold it. Then today I found 2 of this brand. So it's a pretty high-end brand, maybe even like it's called Sandro Paris. The label looks like this. And basically I just sold one plain white zip-up blouse for, I think it was $30. So I'm hoping to get $30 for this shirt, maybe more. The cute little top. This is a dry fit size small. This is a 3XL from Disney. And this is a guy. It does have minor wear, but it's from the Haunted Man. This is one of the first things I picked up yesterday. It's a Billabong, little cute festival boho hoodie. These never go out of style. Theory, which is a great brand. I saw some people selling these dresses between $40 and $80 on Poshmark. Found a charger for her computer, I think. So this is definitely stained with coffee or something. I picked this up because it just felt really nice. When you go to the bins, if you can feel around and do one of those things where you're just touching everything, materials matter. And this is actually the brand. It's called Tiger of Sweden. Now, I found a linen jacket on their website for $350. And yes, I know this has a stain. I will probably list it just like this with the flaw. Maybe somebody's willing to color it, dye it. Maybe I'll dye it black. I don't know. I probably won't do anything and list it just like this. I might try to clean it myself. But it's always worth a shot if maybe I can get it out. This jacket cost me $2. It doesn't even weigh a pound. Sport by the Kooples. I sold a pair of pants recently for like $40. So I know this is a pretty decent brand. This feels like a really nice tank top. Kind of like animal print, but with sequins. Nike, pick it up, buy it. It's one of those things that'll help you get your sales up. I keep saying that this one, but more Nike. T-shirt. I'll probably get $8 or $12 for that. I found the other towels. Look at how cute these ones are. These are just a spring set. Maybe I'll just sell them together, like a 2 set of towels for $10. Kendra found this one. She said she didn't find anything. This is a queen shirt. Love finding shit for ourselves at the bins. Cute little Nike cap. Columbia. I found a blood and gut shirts last time that I showed you guys in my thrift haul that I have for $30. This is another Columbia shirt. It is an extra large. They run between $15 and $30 on eBay. You might be able to get more depending on the line, but I think Columbia is a nice brand. I don't find it often because we live in South Florida, and I think it's more like of an active brand, and people here in South Florida only fish. We don't hike. It's too hot. Dare. Keeping kids off drugs. Gonna wash this for myself and Oxy it. My mom collects these wooden bobbins. You're probably like, why did you pick this shit up? But my mom collects anything that's got like a wood thing because she says, they don't make these anymore. And she's right. They come on plastic. So if I find wooden bobbins and threads, my mom's got a collection. So that's for my mom. This is the second diamond sweatshirt we found. I found 2 of these. So I'm hoping to get 30 off each one. They're really cool. Okay, World Series of Poker. Just a waffle knit, like Henley tee. Zara Men, denim button down. This is just a nice little shirt. We're going to button it up. And I like to sell Zara, not a big profit, but I get between $15 and $30 on most items. I mean, unless it's like a tank top or something. Here are the Sandro shorts. This is that other brand, the same brand I was showing you earlier called Sandro. This brand is a little bit high out there. I thought these were actually American Eagle because if you grew up in the early 2000s, you know. And 2 items to go. This is the Royal Flush. They're cards for George W. Bush. And they're about impeaching George Bush, which is funny. Anywho, she found these online for $20, so we picked them up. And my very final item, which I wish this wasn't as worn as it is, but this jacket I'm still hoping to get at least 25 or 30 for. It is a G-Raw. This is actually, I sold a pair of jeans, I want to say for like over $100 earlier last year, but I don't find these as often at the bins. It is a little pilly, and it does have some fading, and logo is fading and gone, but I have a sweater shaver, so I'm going to try that. And I think somebody would still buy this like this. Very streetwear, super cute. And yeah, that was my haul today. I think I had a pretty good haul. Money-wise, I think maybe like a good $1,000 profit or so because we got Birkenstocks, that Sandro brand. There's some high money things in here. Subscribe and follow for more tips, tricks, and ways that you can make money by reselling clothes that you pick up at the thrift store or the Goodwill outlet bins. Peace out. It's your girl Mad.